Magic Internet Money Token depegs as Terra, LUNA, domino effect persists. Citing an insider scoop, Autism Capital claimed that Abracadabra accrued $12 million in bad debt as a direct result of Terra's sudden downfall, which has been refuted by founder Daniele Sestagali. News. Magic Internet Money, MIM, a US dollar-pegged stablecoin of the Abracadabra ecosystem, joins the growing list of tokens losing their $1 value amid an untimely crypto winter. The sudden depegging of the MIM token commenced roughly on June 17, 7:40 p.m. ET, which saw the token's price drop to $0.926 in just 3 hours. Terra's Luna and Terra UST death spiral not only affected the investors but also had a negative impact on numerous crypto projects, including Abracadabra's MIM token ecosystem, as alleged by Twitter handle @Autism Capital. Citing an insider scoop, Autism Capital claimed that Abracadabra accrued $12 million in bad debt as a direct result of Terra's sudden downfall because liquidations couldn't happen fast enough to cover the protocol's MIM liabilities. Daniele Sestagali, the founder of Abracadabra, however, refuted the claims of insolvency by ensuring to have enough funds to pay back the piling debts, which has been attributed to the falling MIM prices. Sestagali stated doubling down on his stance. Sestagali further publicly shared the Treasury address holding $12 million in assets while asking concerned investors to verify the same using on-chain data. On the other hand, Autism Capital alleged that Sestagali's bad debt was created 5 days ago and shared the below screenshot showing his conversation about. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.